Greetings, this is Learning English with Rahul Mahashabde. Greetings, this is Learning English with Rahul Mahashabde. This video is meant for those who are appearing or taking competitive examination and learning vocabulary. Vocabulary plays an important part in developing and enhancing language skills in general. Verbal ability, no doubt, is a building block of language. A learner may be a student, an office goer, or a homemaker. Animals who hunt and animals who try to save themselves from the hunter animals have a mechanism to hide themselves from being seen. They disguise others by looking like their surroundings. This act of disguising is camouflage. The pronunciation of this word is camouflage. Camouflage is a disguise or to disguise. See the difference? It is a disguise and to disguise. That means to hide oneself or to make someone hide. As far as definition is concerned, a way of hiding people or object by making look like natural background. That means they look like natural background. There one cannot differentiate between where they are and how they look like. Any device or action used to conceal, mislead or deception. So it can be any cloth, or it can be a animal skin, or it could be any other way of concealing oneself from others, or it could be a color or shape of an animal that make it difficult to see because looks similar to what it is around it. So synonyms are disguise, cover up, mask up. So the examples are a camouflage jacket covered with green and brown marks and worn by soldiers. This is generally, you must have observed, soldiers generally, in order to hide themselves, they put on this kind of jacket. Second example would be troops dressed in camouflage. The third one would be he pulled the camouflage net over the entrance to the tent. The third one is the whiteness of polar bears and Arctic foxes provides camouflage. Next one is the leopard's spots act as a camouflage, and predators make as much as use of camouflage as their prey do. And lastly, new ideas are often slow to catch on in the military, and digital camouflage was one of them. These are the headlines which have appeared in subsection of the newspaper. The one was published in Times of India. That is, attempt to camouflage illegal occupation. India slams Pakistan for holding polls in POK. Skoda Auto India announces contest to design camouflage for its upcoming sedan. This was published in Hindustan Times. And lastly, in the print, why Indian Navy is getting camouflage uniform like Army and Air Force. There are various collocations, or you can say how camouflage goes. The word camouflage goes along with other part of speech, like adjective, it is excellent camouflage or effective camouflage. Then camouflage plus noun, so it is camouflage pattern or camouflage uniform. And then there is a verb. So there are 2-3 verbs which are generally used with camouflage. They are provide camouflage. So tall grass provides camouflage to rhinoceros, give camouflage, or wear camouflage. Coming to the discussion part, a camouflage is one which disguises. It could be pattern uniform or face paint when it comes to soldiers. It could also be color or shape of an animal that make it difficult to see because it looks like to its surroundings. It could also mean hide or conceal truth. So if you're trying to conceal your emotions, then it is you are camouflaging your emotions. So this use is generally in a sense of figurative sense. Then it is a French word. It can exist in both forms, noun and verb. It is being used in sense of concrete as well as abstract. That is, one is measurable and another is not measurable. Then its meaning is to disguise and a disguise. It means to make appear sound different from usual so as to be unrecognizable. So the whole idea of camouflage is to make unrecognizable. It is used in military parlance or military language, ecology, and to hide emotions. So it can be used in figurative language, and it is a noun, uncountable, so no plural is possible. So thank you very much. This is for all. This is for all today, and we'll meet again with a new next with a new word. Thank you.